Hey there, it's David Duford at Buy Life Insurance for Burial, where I help answer questions that you have about life insurance. Today's question is, I have a history of alcoholism. Can I qualify for life insurance? Great question to ask. What I'm going to spend time doing in this video is giving you a list of factors that will have an impact on whether or not you can qualify if you have a history of alcoholism. Up front, I'll tell you that you'll have a much easier time qualifying for life insurance as with a history of alcoholism if it's been several years since the original diagnosis and there's been evidence to show that you have overcome the process of alcoholism and now are sober. So how many years is that? I would say generally 5 years, although there are products that if you can prove that within, and it's been longer than 2 years, that you may qualify for life insurance coverage as well. So, and there are others that are less than 2 years too, but those are what's called guaranteed issue plans. There are an option if no other option exists. But let's look at the factors here because it's important to understand what an underwriter will look at to give you a better idea what to expect. First of all, is how long has it been since your diagnosis, and how have you done treatment, and what's your compliance level been with treatment? Again, what a life insurance underwriter is going to want to see is that you've proven and shown yourself to apply yourself to a policy or a treatment plan that helps you with your alcoholism, that promotes sobriety, and that you haven't missed treatment sessions, you've complied with treatment, and that shows a level of commitment and seriousness about overcoming the alcoholism. So that will be very important. If you have elevated liver enzymes because of your alcoholism, even if it's been a number of years, that's going to probably end up as a decline, as most insurance companies are going to decide not to want to insure you, as elevated liver enzymes usually indicate there's obvious problems health-wise. And then also things like DUI convictions. When did they happen, before or after the diagnosis? And all of these are going to have some sort of impact on your level of insurability. Real quick, what I'm going to end here with, generally speaking, if it's been several years since your diagnosis, all you're going to have access to is a guaranteed issue, no questions asked policy. If it's been somewhere between 2 and 5 years, you may have some level of options for simplified issue products that only look back several years to determine insurability. You may have limited access to traditional life insurance policies, but possibly on an overall rated basis. And then it's been 5 years or longer. You may begin to have more companies who are willing to consider you, but understand under all these circumstances, it depends on your level of compliance to the treatment, how well you've been shown to follow what you've been told, and generally overall your other health factors too, so it can't be denied. My name is David Duford. I hope you enjoyed and got some information out of this video. If you'd like to learn more about some of the other factors that affect your ability to get life insurance if you have a history of alcoholism, there's a link below. Here it is. Oh, there's my finger. And if you look on the screen at the description box, you'll see a link to my website. And I go into more detail in that article. And if you're interested in running a quote and seeing what you may qualify for, there's a couple ways to do it. Go to my website. It's buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. You'll see a quoter on the side of the screen. Just put in a quote and get what you get. You can also call us at 888-626-0439. We'll be happy to give you a quote within 10 minutes or less. My name is David Duford at Buy Life Insurance for Burial. Thank you for watching. Bye.